Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my thoughts about this lip tint from Roman. This is the Roman Juicy Lasting Tint in shade number 33, which is called Bare Fine. So the reason why I got this is because I want to replace my Peri Ink Mode Glowy Tint in shade number 13, which is called Very Pretty. So I'm about to finish this and I'm looking for a shade that has like a MLBB nude pink, soft pink color. So yeah, anyways, this lip tint consists of 5.5 gram of net weight, and the lip tint cost me around $10 to $15 in an online shop. So I think the price is quite reasonable. I think it's cheaper compared to other brand, because usually other brand only consists around 4 gram or 3 gram of lip tint inside. So this one is 5.5 gram, quite a lot in my opinion. So anyways, this is how the packaging looks. I think it's quite normal. It's made of plastic. The packaging is similar to the Peri one, but Peri is a little bit thicker, a little bit fatter. So yeah, and anyways, this is how the one looks. I really like the one because the one is small and it has like a flat part, so it's easier to apply, especially on the edge of the lips, which is usually smaller. So this is how the shade looks. Compared to my old Peri Ink Mode Glowy Tint, this one is slightly more watery and it has more gloss. So this is how it looks. For your reference, this is how the Peri one looks. They both are glowy tint, but because Roman is more watery, so it looks more glossy. And in terms of color, Peri is more on the bright pink color, and this one, the Roman one, is more like a blue pink color, more purple a little bit. So here is the color. So this one is Peri and this one is Roman. Roman is a little bit more bluish and Peri is more like also blue color, but it looks like it has more red inside. Anyways, so far I quite enjoyed this lip tint. It has a little bit of like a berry fragrance, which I don't think is too strong for me, and the Roman lip tint feels a little bit like lip gloss because it feels very moisturizing on my lips. So the texture is actually quite watery, but after I apply it on my lips, it feels very moist and very sticky. Personally, I like that kind of texture because my lips is dry. Sometimes it flakes and it feels a little bit painful sometimes, so the lip tint helped to moisturize my lips as well. As for the color, I don't have a lot of complaint. I think it looks like a MLBB color. So currently I'm using it on my lips now. In front of the camera, you cannot really see the color because it's like a MLBB color, but it looks better in real life because it's glossier. So I'm just going to try using this on my lips to see if so this is how it looks. The color don't really came out because I have dark lips, but this is the color that I'm looking for, so I quite enjoy the texture. So yeah, I guess that's it for today. So far I kind of enjoy the the lip tint because the lip tint has a small one and is easy to apply, and also the watery texture makes it smooth to apply it on my lips, and also the finish looks very nice also. I think compared to the Peri Pera one, I kind of like the Roman better because it has more shine and more gloss. And it's also a little bit cheaper compared to Peri Pera. In the future, I do see myself repurchasing this again, maybe in another shades or maybe other kinds of Roman lip tint. So this one is the Juicy Lasting Tint. Maybe they sell other variation that I haven't see yet. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope the review is useful. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.